Hi everyone, welcome back to Civil the Will. In this video, I am going to show you how can we convert the latitude, longitude data to UTM coordinates, as well as how can we convert the UTM coordinates to latitude and longitude. Watch the video till to end. Let's start the video without wasting any time. So let me show you an Excel sheet which contains the latitude and longitude data, and now we are going to convert this latitude and longitude data to UTM with the help of QGIS software. So open the QGIS software. So now create a new project and now save the project with appropriate name. I'm creating the folder on the desktop with the name of training tool, and open this folder and give the name class tool and click on save. And now we are going to import that latitude longitude Excel sheet. So before that you should need to save this Excel sheet in .csv format. So go to application button and click on save as, and here we need to select the comma delimited option, CSV option. Now give the file name, that is latitude longitude data 1, and after that I want to save it on desktop, and after that click on save, click on OK, click on yes. So we have saved the latitude longitude data in CSV format, and now we are going to import that data in the QGIS. So go to layer option and click on add layer, and here select add delimited text layer, and we need to browse that CSV file which we have saved in desktop with the name of latitude longitude 1. So this is our CSV file. So click on open, and after that keep it as a default, and here we can see our Excel sheet, and here we can see our Excel sheet, that is latitude longitude data, and here in the X field we need to select the longitude, and in the Y field we need to select the latitude, and after that we need to select the coordinate reference system. So here keep it in mind, we need to select the coordinate reference system, that is WGS 84. We need to select this coordinate system. So we need to select the coordinate system WGS 84 EPSG 4326. So search here EPSG 4326. So we need to select this option, that is WGS 84 EPSG 4326. So after selecting this option and click on OK, and after that click on add and just click on close. So here we can see we have added our latitude longitude data in QGIS. If you want to see the Google Maps in this QGIS software, so in the browser panel, so here we can see XYZ tiles. So double click on this OpenStreetMap. So here we can see, so make sure this latitude longitude data layer should be top of this Google Maps, then we can able to see our points. So here we can see these points are overlay on this Google Map. So make sure if you want to see this Google Map, your PC should be connected to internet. Now what I am going to do is, so I am going to convert this latitude longitude data to UTM. Select this latitude longitude data layer and right click and go to export and select save feature as, and here select the format CSV and select your folder. So I want to save this UTM coordinates folder in desktop and give the name latitude longitude to UTM, and it should be in .csv, and click on save. And after that we need to select the coordinate reference system, and here now in this case we need to select the coordinate system. So how can we find out the UTM zone of our latitude and longitude? So in the below description I have given a link in which paste the latitude and longitude, and after that click on convert. Then you can find out the what is the zone of those latitude and longitude data. So now the latitude longitude data which we have imported, those are belongs to UTM 43 zone. So select this UTM 43 zone and click on OK. And after that keep this as a default, and here in the geometry I want to select A as XY, and after selecting this, because I want to show this UTM data X as a one column and Y as a one column, that is easting and northing value, and after that click on OK. So here we can see our data is successfully converted to UTM. Open this folder. So now we have saved in desktop, so go to desktop. So here we can see our folder is created, that is latitude longitude to UTM. Open this folder, and after that click on read only. So here we can see that we have successfully converted this latitude longitude data to X and Y. X and Y is nothing but the UTM coordinates of this latitude and longitude. So now we have successfully completed the conversion of latitude longitude to UTM. So this X is nothing but the easting value, and this Y is nothing but the northing value. And let me show you how can we convert this easting and northing value to latitude and longitude. So first of all, copy this easting and northing values. So copy this and create a new Excel sheet. Now paste those easting and northing value here. And save this easting and northing value in CSV format. So select CSV format and give the name UTM coordinates, and after that save this folder in the desktop and click on save. Click on OK and click on S. And now again open the QGIS software, and now untick all these layers, and now again add those. Click on layer and add layer, and here select add delimited text layer, and now select that UTM coordinate Excel file which is in .csv format. So this is the UTM coordinate CSV format file. Click on open, and now here in the X field select easting value, and in the Y field select northing value, and here we need to select the CRS. Now in this case we need to select the UTM zone 43 because the coordinates which we are importing, those belongs to the UTM zone 43N. Select the UTM zone 43N and click on OK, and now click on add. So click on close. So here we can see we have added our coordinates. And now how can we convert this UTM coordinates to latitude and longitude? So again select this UTM coordinates layer and right click and go to export, and here save feature as, and here select CSV format, and now select your folder, in which folder you want to save this, and I'm giving the name, that is UTM2 latitude and longitude, and click on save. And after that we need to select the coordinate reference system. So in this case we are converting the UTM to one geodetic system, nothing but latitude and longitude. So in this case we need to select the WGS 84 EPSG 4326. So search EPSG 4326. So this is the, we need to select coordinate reference system. After that click on OK, and here in the geometry we need to select as XY, nothing but longitude and latitude, and click on OK. So here open this link. So this is the folder which we have converted UTM to longitude. Open this folder and wait for a few minutes, and after that click on read only. And now here we can see we have successfully converted the easting and northing value to, here X is nothing but the longitude and Y is nothing but the latitude. So in the X type longitude, and in this Y type latitude. So here we can see we have successfully converted this easting and northing value to longitude and latitude. So this is how we can convert the latitude longitude data to UTM, as well as how can we convert the UTM data to latitude and longitude. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get the latest notification. Thank you so much. Love you all. Jai Hind.